Every woodworker has its own style. It was when I stumbled upon these YouTubers that I said to myself, yeah, I want to do that as well. There are tons of woodworkers out there, and it's a real treat that YouTube exists, and you can learn so much from it. I watch the more traditional woodworkers a lot to increase my skill, but it's these guys I'm talking about in this video that make me watch woodworking for fun. I really enjoy these guys as they are unique, they make awesome products, and most of them started out just like me. I am a self-taught woodworker. I have no education in woodworking. I have a business degree, so I know what I talk about on the business side of woodworking. Most of the guys I talk about in this video are self-taught, and because of that I can relate to them. They are my inspiration for starting this channel and make me want to inspire others as well. Before I start, let me ask you to subscribe to my channel. That is, if you like woodworking, growing a woodworking business and like to grow your business as well. Hit the notification bell while you're at it, so you don't miss out on anything. So I'll set up this list as if it was a top 5. Don't get me wrong, all these guys are great in their own way, but the list goes down from number 5 to number 1, being the greatest inspiration for me. I start the list off with Johnny Brooke from Crafted Workshop. Johnny makes all kinds of furniture and home modification videos. I like the furniture builds the most and really like the way he narrates his videos. I like his enthusiasm while talking about woodworking. The style of the furniture he builds is my style as well. One of the things on his channel I like the most are his epoxy river videos. Number 4. Jay Bates. Next on the list is Jay Bates. The reason Jay has been an inspiration for me are his workshop improvement videos. He uploads a lot of videos on how to improve your woodshop. He has some great ideas on how to make the most out of the limited room you have. Next, number 3. Mike Montgomery and his channel Modern Builds. Mike has a wide selection of types of furniture he makes. The reason Mike is on this list is because he really has his way to simplify woodworking so that you get pushed over the edge to try it out yourself. I love his build of his white epoxy river table. The great thing about Mike is that he makes mistakes building projects, and he doesn't cover them up. He uses his mistakes and shows them in the video so you can learn from his mistakes. Number 2. John the Builder Malecki. John for me is the typical stereotype American guy. I'm from Holland and my take on an American guy is John Malecki. I like the rough style he has in his videos and the guy is just funny. John has a lot of videos where he combines metalworking with woodworking. He also does big epoxy pours, which takes guts, and I like that in his videos. John is over the top enthusiastic, which is really inspirational. John is a self-taught woodworker just like me. Number 1. Chris Salomone and his channel FOUREYES. My real inspiration for starting a woodworking channel, Chris and his channel FOUREYES. Chris has this relaxing voice. The way he narrates his videos calms me down, and I always watch his videos all the way through. He has some funny jokes in his video, especially when he works together with his partner Shaun. They have a dynamic together that is extremely funny. Chris always responds to my comments and really takes the time to give a personal answer. Chris says in his about page that he would love to inspire people. Well, you do. Thanks, Chris. I posted all of the channel links of these woodworkers in the description. Make sure to check them out. Which woodworkers are your inspiration? Let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new content. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it.